This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, skid plates, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, cooled driver and passenger seats, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a trailer hitch receiver, a bed liner, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and aluminum wheels. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Hagerty Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 330 East Roosevelt Road in West Chicago.